Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream with ghee. First, gather your ingredients, good quality ghee and your chosen liquid, like milk or water. Next, ensure your mixing tools are clean and ready. Then, we will walk through the precise steps for combining them to create a smooth emulsion. Finally, I will share some helpful tips for consistency and suggest various ways to enjoy your freshly made cream. To begin, select a good quality ghee. Unsalted is often preferred for versatility. For your liquid base, whole milk or even filtered water works well, depending on your desired richness. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly dry to prevent any issues with emulsification. Precise measurements are key here, so have your measuring cups ready to ensure the best possible outcome for your cream. Start by gently warming your ghee until it is completely melted and clear, but not hot. Next, slowly and gradually pour your chosen liquid into the melted ghee. As you add the liquid, continuously whisk the mixture vigorously. This constant motion is crucial for creating a stable emulsion. Keep whisking until the mixture transforms into a smooth, creamy consistency. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more liquid. For an extra smooth cream, consider using a blender or an immersion mixer during the emulsification process. After mixing, chill your cream in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps it thicken further. Always store your homemade ghee cream in an airtight container in the fridge to maintain freshness. This versatile cream is wonderful in coffee, over desserts, or even incorporated into savory recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.